Looking for the best product to sell on Amazon or online? Rangoli is in the most demand on Amazon and online. The Rangoli business has experienced substantial growth in recent years due to the resurgence in traditional art forms, increased online availability of Rangoli supplies, the popularity of do-it-yourself craft trends, and enhanced marketing efforts during festive seasons, particularly around Diwali when Rangoli creation is a customary practice. Based on historical data, in India, the search term Rangoli is likely to see a rise in interest in regions like Chhattisgarh, Daman and Diu, and Maharashtra, particularly in the months of October and November. Globally, the term Rangoli experiences increased interest, especially in countries like India, Nepal, and the Philippines, with a noticeable peak around the months of November and October. However, these predictions should be considered with the understanding that they are not definitive and can be influenced by various factors and unforeseen events. Subscribe to Buymarg for the latest product market trends. If you're interested in starting an online business and need an in-depth product market analysis and detailed business plan, contact Buymarg or visit buymarg.com today.